Upgraded Nude Solid Gel Polish. The unique non-floating feature makes it easier to carry and store without worrying about leakage and spilling it all over the place. Even if you accidentally drop it, it will be safe. Keep your entire manicure as clean and focused as possible. Highly pigmented. Solid cream polish is different from traditional in that it is silky and creamy, easy to apply and color, and not easy to flow into the nail seam. With just one light coat, you can achieve the same effect as 3 coats of traditional nail polish or better. Very convenient and time-saving, very suitable for beginners. Cost-effective cream nail gel kit. A nude gel nail Christmas gift set includes 6 colors solid polish plus nail brush. You can DIY your nail art according to your skin color, season, occasion and preferences. Nail-friendly, fast-drying, long-lasting. Our mud gel polish is healthy, safety, low odor and high gloss. It can be applied evenly and easily because of high-quality gel material and smooth brush. This solid cream nail polish set is long-lasting for 21+ days with perfect shine and a good tenacity under the correct application. Perfect Christmas gift for her. It's easy and convenient for beginners to handle professional and DIY manicures at home, and also perfect for professional salon use. This solid gel polish kit comes in a beautiful box. Ideal gift for her on Mother's Day, birthday, Valentine's Day, graduation, Christmas, Thanksgiving. Top reviews from the United States. Love this set. My first purchase was the Festival collection and I loved it. Works as a polish and as an art gel. The creamy texture stays put, which enables extra fine details with tiny brushes. I see complaints about coverage, but I have zero complaints.